Hello ladies, what's up? It's Hugo here, and today I got a little tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your worlds, or at least save your worlds in Fortress Craft. So you might know that if you join somebody else's world, or if you just start a new one, you lose your previous one. You cannot save games, unfortunately. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You'll be needing a USB stick or a memory stick, however you want to call it. And just to show you that it's going to work, this is the world I'm going to be using. So I got those two buildings that spawn, so we should be able to recognize them. And I'm going to go ahead and quit to title. And let's go to the dashboard. Okay, we're back at the dashboard. Now what you're gonna do here is go to My Xbox, and then go totally to the right. Go to System Settings, go to Memory, and right here you'll see that you only have a hard drive, except if you have any other devices. So at this point you want to go ahead and put in your USB thumb drive. You can put it in the frontal USB on the front of your Xbox or at the back of your Xbox. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. And if you haven't configured it yet, so if you go to USB storage devices, as you can see, this one is not configured yet, so you're gonna have to configure it. So do configure now, yes. And if you have a storage device or a USB mobile hard drive, it doesn't really matter, that is not powered through an external power adapter, it's gonna be quite slow, so you won't be able to play the game off the USB, but you will be able to save the worlds. So right now I'm just configuring the memory stick here. It shouldn't take that long. Of course, it depends how large your USB stick is as well. And I'm just gonna take a moment here to ask you guys if you could please like the video. That would really be appreciated, of course, if you like it, and be sure to check out all of my other videos. Now right here we're done. It says your device is ready but does not meet the Xbox 360 performance recommendations. Just hit OK. And as you can see, we got memory unit, and inside we have nothing because everything is empty. Now you want to go to your hard drive, then you want to go to games, and then you want to go scroll down all the way to indie games. So the I of indie games, there you go. And right here we have Fortress Craft Chapter 1 and Fortress Craft Chapter 1 again. I'm not sure why there are two of them, but just to be sure, I always back up both. But what you're going to do is go on the first one, go copy, and you go to memory unit or memory stick, doesn't matter. Go ahead and copy that, and then after that copy the second one as well. The second one goes really quickly compared to the first one, so okay, that's the first one. Let's do the second one as well, like such. This one goes pretty quickly. So that's it, and now you've backed up your game. Now you can go ahead and unplug your memory stick. So I'm going to unplug it right now. You'll see it disappearing right here, and I'll only have my hard drive left. So yeah, now let's go back in the game just to show you that it worked. So we're back in Fortress Craft. Let's press start, load the world. Oh no, actually, if we load the world, let's make a new world here. And as you can see, if you want to start a new world, any saved data will be deleted. So we're just going to hit yes and just make whatever world, start a new game, start a new world, doesn't matter. Wait for that one to load. This is just to show you that it works, but it should already have backed it up by now. You can also now put in your USB stick in your actual computer and save multiple worlds, and like separate them, like make folders for each world, for example. So there we go, we're in a brand new world. As you can see, there's no more houses or anything. This is just a brand new world, and my sensitivity is horribly low. But now we have a brand new world, so we lost the old one. And just to show you that it works, we're gonna go back to dashboard. Okay, we're back at the dashboard. A lot of switches, dashboard, games, dashboard. It might seem a little confusing, but all you're really doing is just moving your game every time from your USB stick to your hard drive. So we're gonna put in back the memory stick here. And all you need to do, you probably guessed it already, you just need to go ahead and copy Fortress Craft back onto your hard drive. So what you do, you go into your memory stick, sorry if I went too fast, indie games, and then you have the two files you copied. You click on the first one, you do copy, do not move it, just copy it, just to be sure. Hit hard drive, It's going to tell you it already exists. Do you want to replace it? You say yes. That goes rather quickly. And you do that exact same thing for the second file. Now I'm not sure if all of you guys are going to have a second file. If you only have one, oh sorry, shows the wrong thing. If you have only one, then go with one. And go ahead and replace it as well. So now you should be good. You can go ahead and remove the memory stick here. And go back into the game. So we're back in the game. Hopefully it's going to work. If it doesn't work, I'm really sorry, but it should work. Let's load the game. Just do load world. And it should bring you back to your old world. So let's see if that worked. Yes, at least it worked. So it worked for me, it should work for you guys. Really, there's no reason why it shouldn't work. It should work for everybody. But as you can see, we're back on the old world where we started with. I'm just going to put some speed boots on to boost it up a bit. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to save your worlds. Of course, as I said, you can also save them on your computer and such. This is kind of my world. It's a little messed up. I used a little too much commands and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll thank you a lot for watching. If you have any comments or questions on how this works, all you really do, just to summarize it, you copy paste your game every time from your hard drive to your memory stick. So yeah, it should be pretty simple. I'll thank you a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.